Hi everyone, I'm Lareina and welcome back to the Intimate Talk. Have you ever gone to a supermarket, picked up a bottle of Intimate Wash and went, odor prevention? Yep, this one. And then the next moment, you found one for moisturizing and another one for maintaining a healthy pH. And you found yourself standing before the shelf, struggling to come to a decision? Continue watching to learn how you can easily make the right choice of Intimate Wash for yourself. So to begin, find a gynecologist tested Intimate Wash. You should see something like this on the bottle. Your intimate area is seriously the last thing you want to mess around with, so choose wisely. So if your main concern is to prevent unpleasant odor, go for one that has an odor control technology. Do not go for something that is packed with all sorts of fragrances, okay? The more you try to mask it with artificial fragrance, the more you disturb the pH balance, which can cause irritation and lead to infection. So find one that prevents odor and provides long-lasting freshness. Next, if itchiness, burning sensation when urinating, foul fishy smell, or unusual white, grey, or green discharge sound familiar to what you're experiencing now, then go for something that has been scientifically proven to maintain a healthy pH level. It won't solve your underlying problem, but it can alleviate them. So please visit your doctor or gynecologist or use a product that has been scientifically proven to maintain a healthy pH level in the meantime. If you're experiencing vaginal dryness, you can simply go for an Intimate Wash that is specially formulated with moisturizing ingredients to alleviate your dryness issue. And if you have extra sensitive skin and conditions such as eczema or dermatitis, then you can go for an extra gentle wash. Plus, if you're unable to wash, like when you are rushing after your gym session for a dinner, you can use intimate powder to keep your intimate area clean and fresh, like this one that contains cornstarch instead of talc. So there should be no excuse to not keep your intimate area clean. Last but not least, do visit your gynecologist if you're experiencing anything unusual down there. If you'd like to know more about washing of an intimate area, do check out the previous episode of the Intimate Talk. I hope you found this helpful. Do share with me any concerns or questions you have regarding the washes in the comment section down below. And remember to share this video out for the love of all women. Stay tuned for the next episode of the Intimate Talk. Goodbye!